You don't have a sales training problem. You have a timing problem. Your team gets trained once a year, then left to freestyle the next 364 days. Same workshop, same script, same slide deck. But here is the truth. One-size-fits-all training is killing performance, especially in a complex, high-stake deals. And that's exactly where real revenue lives. You're watching AI4Sales Edge. I'm Jelena. And if your salespeople are training on slides instead of real situations, it's time to change that. I will give you an example from my own experience and why it completely failed in the field. Back in corporate sales, we got the same training 2 years in a row, same examples, same trainer, same slides. And the setup? New salespeople sat next to 10-year veterans. One agenda, one output. Generic, training complete report. But nothing changed in the field. We were not handling objections better. We were not converting more. Because what we needed wasn't another deck. We needed personalized coaching, rooted in real customers' conversations. What we said in the boardroom, how we responded in discovery, how we handled curveballs, that's where performance gaps live and where AI steps now. I'm not the only one who has lived this. Some of the best teams are flipping the old playbook. They're using AI to simulate real pressure and coach their salespeople while the revenue is on the line. So let's break that down. Instead of generic workshop, these companies, like the ones using second nature AI, are training for exact what happened in the room. Real pressure, real stakes. And that's the shift. Instead of just giving people a once-a-year lecture, you're giving them real-time, personalized coaching that actually mirror what they're facing in their deals. Here is what Zoom did. They didn't sit around waiting for deals to go sideways. They got their salespeople ready for tough objections before those objections even showed up. They used second nature AI to do these role play based on actual customer scenarios. And the results? 100% of their teams was participating, ramping up faster, and just handling those high stakes meetings without needing someone to hold their hand. It wasn't just onboarding. It was like making them deal ready at scale. Same goes for SAP Academy. They had to train big pre-sales group fast, but they didn't want to lose quality. So they used second nature AI to simulate those in-person discovery sessions, the kind that really make or break an enterprise deal. What happened? Confidence went up, onboarding time went down, and now everybody walks into those meetings actually prepared. No guesswork. Checkpoint Software did the same. Their reps face a lot of pressure, so they train for those exact moments using also second nature AI simulations. And guess what? Instead of weeks of shadowing, they got everyone aligned in hours. And managers had a dashboard to see who was ready. It's not about passing a quiz. It's about how your salespeople show up when pressure hits and buyers push back. So sales leaders, your team doesn't need more decks. They need real-time practice. RevOps, if your enablement is stuck on a fixed calendar, you're not scaling. And executives, you hired A players, but if they walk into high-stake meeting unprepared, you're wasting your investment. Basically, second nature AI is running your team through real game day prep. So when it's a showtime, they're ready to move the room. And the people running revenue, they see it the same way. CROs don't care what your salespeople know. They care if they can move the room and convert. If your team folds in the moment, the training didn't stick. And if you want to get started, just pick your top 3 challenges. Run some short AI simulation and coach in real time. Slide decks don't close boardroom deals. If your training doesn't match how you sell, it's holding you back. Top teams are moving to AI because high-stakes selling need a real-time prep. Hit subscribe if you want that kind of coaching that moves as fast as your pipeline. And this week, ask your team, where do you feel unprepared and how can we fix it fast?